Hey y'all, it's the Costume Jeweler. I'm in the kitchen. Now we're going to cook coconut cake with my cousin Elaine.
Hey.
We're using classic white cake mix, so we just thought we'd do this tonight. My cousin Diane's here too. She's in the audience. We're going to use, what are we using, Elaine? We're going to use Bake King. This is a very vintage pan, all aluminum. What would you say this is?
Old.
Well seasoned cake pan. Bake King.
Vintage.
Downstore, and we're using this vintage mixer, hand mixer right here. And we're using Baker's Corner Classic White Cake. So we're gonna make a coconut cake. We're gonna start with a little bit of oil. How much oil? We've kind of prepped it already. So we've got a little bit of oil, and what else do we have in here?
There's 1/4 a cup of oil, 3/4 a cup of water plus 2 tablespoons, and we have to add 3 egg whites.
So what are we gonna do with the egg whites?
Put them in here. The white.
Okay.
And put the yellow in here.
So we're going to take 3 egg whites. Oh.
There you
So we're going to try to do something with this. Alright, now hold on, I got it. So we're going to, and my hands are clean, just so you know, I've washed them. Where's the thing? So we're going to do 3 egg whites, right?
Yes.
You're going to help me? So we tried to go live with this, but it didn't really work. Oops.
Add the cake.
So we're gonna add this cake mixture to it. We just got through eating jambalaya. So we decided we had dessert. So we're gonna add the cake mix in here. And what'll happen, Tanya, when I get this stirred up, we'll stop. You know how to stop the video, don't you? You just push the video. So you push you push the video to stop it. You'll just push it again, and then that way we can show them the final product. Because I don't edit any of my videos, so if y'all are ever out looking at the purses, jewelry, knickknacks, whatnots, doodads, and trinkets, we don't edit anything. What you see is what you get in this channel. We're hoping that's right. You ain't seen nothing yet. Hopefully this cake turns out okay. So what do we do? Bake the cake at 350 for how long?
28 minutes.
And then at the end we pour the coconut mixture on top of it. Is there any red wine or anything in this recipe?
No,
There's not. No.
just water.
Do you think that's good?
Water and oil.
Do you think this is good?
Yeah. Wait.
Well, I'm just going to show her. It's got the mixture right here. We're going to use canola oil. We bought this on sale for $1.49. Because you know we thrift everything from our canola oil down to our jewelry and purses, Louis Vuittons, and all that stuff. So again, we're using the well-seasoned Bake King pan. Vintage Bake King pan. And now we're going to pour in the mixture. Oh, it's going to be so delicious, isn't it?
Yes. Straight from Louisiana.
Diane's like, y'all are crazy. Martha Stewart, though, she would do like this, wouldn't she?
Yeah, so you can see it.
Or Pioneer Woman. Oh, look at that. It's so smooth and creamy, and it just flows right into the pan. And then what do we do after getting the pan, Lane?
Shake it around.
Oven.
Shake it around?
Wait.
Look at this. Brings a whole new meaning to shake and bake, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it? So coconut, and it's just white cake.
In the oven.
So in the oven at 350 for how long again?
28 minutes.
28 minutes. We'll pop that in there, and we will be back in 28 minutes.
So push
Here's the
that.
videos just popped
Yeah.
up.
This one here?
Yeah.
So we still have 22 minutes left, y'all, and just so you know, this is the version of
They live in Abilene.
coconut that you want to use. So this right here is Louisiana coconut. So you want to buy this in Louisiana. You probably use something from Texas also, but my cousin uses this one. So we've got about 23 minutes left, and then we're going to have coconut cake. So let's take a quick look at this. We've got 17 minutes left. Looking pretty good, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
So y'all, we're gonna look at this coconut cake and see, or it's not coconut cake yet, is it? Because we haven't poured the coconut stuff on there. Just gonna check it and see. It smells good, don't it? So it is ready, look. That's ready. So again, the secret to this coconut cake is you want to get the coconut from Louisiana. Louisiana, y'all. That's where you want to get it, ain't it, Lane?
That's it, ain't it?
So what do we do with this? We
Just pour it over.
okay.
Spoon it out.
That's real sugary, isn't it?
Here, wait.
What?
Put this in and then stick that in the can.
What do you want me to do?
Just stick that right there.
Yeah. And then what?
Pour it.
So y'all ready?
Yeah.
That looks so good, doesn't it, Diana?
Yep.
So this is Lane's recipe.
When you poured it on there?
Yeah, the cake's
No,
hot.
the coconut,
Yeah.
no.
So how long do you let it sit now?
Just eat it when
You just
get
eat it
ready.
like this?
Yeah.
So Dow Stars is the videographer right now. She's going to show you this cake, and then we're going to close out the video and we're going to eat. So that's coconut cake, right?
It is.
And that's all she wrote, so we will see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Yeah.
Oh. I thought.
Oh, now we are recording now. So I just want to show them up close.
So
Looks
your
good.
mouth.
So Elaine, are you ready to eat?
I'm ready.
We're gonna let Elaine slice this so we can see how it looks. So what do? Do you slice it with a knife, or you spoon it out, or what? What should we do, Diana?
Knife.
Oh, it looks different when you zoom off of it.
Oh, excuse me.
It's gonna be good. Got our cute little paper plates here. Dow Star, she's the videographer. My cousin Elaine.
Hello.
Bruce.
I need a spatula.
You do.
There. Thanks.
Oh.
All right, y'all. We'll see y'all later. We're gonna post this. Bye.